Hello students, in this video we are going to learn some other terms related to computer network. Let's start. www. www stands for World Wide Web. It is a set of protocol that allow to access any document on the net through a naming system based on URL. It also specifies a way the HTTP to request and send a document over the internet. Attributes of www are user-friendly, multimedia documents are displayed, hypertext and hyperlinks, interactive and frames. Next is Telnet. Telnet is an older internet utility that lets us log on to the remote computer system. Actually, if you want to log on to a remote computer, then you can log on to that computer from any place, anywhere and anytime. Web browser. Web browser is a software, or we can say that it is a www client that navigate through the World Wide Web and display the web pages to the user. Some of the famous web browser are Internet Explorer, Safari, Chrome, Mozilla Firefox, Netscape Navigator, UC Browser, etc. Web server. Web server is a www server that navigates through the World Wide Web and display web pages to the user. Cloud computing. Storing and retrieving the information on the internet server is referred as cloud computing. Cloud could be of three types: private cloud, public cloud, and hybrid cloud. Private clouds belongs to the particular organization or a particular person. Public cloud, it is open for the public. The public can store and retrieve the information on the public web server. And hybrid cloud, it is a combination of private and public cloud. Example of private cloud could be the server of a bank or a large organization. The example of public clouds are Google Drive, YouTube, and hybrid cloud is a combination of these two. Means it can be owned by an organization as well as it can be accessed by the public also. Now the Web 2.0. Web 2.0 describes World Wide Web website that emphasize user-generated content, usability, and interoperability for end user. A World Wide Web is the specification to access the web pages for the client. A Web 2.0 website may allow user to interact and collaborate with each other in a social media dialogue as creator for user-generated content in a virtual community. The example of Web 2.0 could be the social networking sites such as Facebook, Twitter, YouTube, or etc. Now, Usenet. Usenet is a global electronic bulletin board which is a worldwide distributed discussion system available on the computer. Means the people having the common interest can interact with each other on a common platform that is considered as Usenet. Website. A location on a web server is known as website. It consists of many web pages which can be accessed through a URL with the HTTP request. Web page. A document resides on a website that uses HTTP is called as web page. Home page. The top level page, or we can say the first page of a website, is known as web page. Home page. Web portal. It is a website that hosts other websites. It has hyperlinks to many other websites which can be accessed at a single place. For example, google.com, yahoo.com, indiatimes.com. These are the many websites which contains hyperlinks to other websites. Now, the web hosting. It means that hosting web server application on a computer system through which electronic content on the internet is readily available to any web browser client. Web hosting are of four categories, that is free hosting, virtual or share hosting, dedicated hosting, and co-location hosting. Free hosting. In this, you can store your content to a web server without paying any cost. Virtual or shared hosting. It is the hosting in which company give you a place to host your content on the web server, and these are secured with the login ID and password. Dedicated hosting. In this type of hosting, the company wishes to go online, rent on entire web server for a hosting company. Co-location hosting. In this type of hosting, the company actually owns the server on which its sites it's hosted. That is, the company owning the site rather than the web hosting company. It's responsible for all server administration. HTML. HTML stands for Hypertext Markup Language. It is a language which help you to define the web pages. We can say that HTTP contains many tags which help you to design the layout of the web page. XML. XML stands for Extensible Markup Language. It is a meta language, that is the language to create a language. It means in XML you can create your own tags. Basically, XML is used to we can say manage the data on the website. So there are two differences between XML and HTML. HTML is a hypertext markup language which is used to design the layout of the web page, whereas XML is used to design the layout to store and retrieve the data on the web page. DHTML means Dynamic Hypertext Markup Language. You see, many web pages get changed according to time, location, place, city, country, etc. Means the home page of the Google will be different at different places. So a dynamic web page can be created with the help of DHTML, Dynamic Hypertext Markup Language. Thank you.